Amemba a ngwataniro ino ya ene micii ya ciana cia ndigwa kuma Nakuru nimonanitie kwa kuiganira na mutaratara uyu wa watho uria wendekithitie kuhe hinya makiria gikundi kiria kirumbuiyanagia na maundu ma ciana ona thengia ya gukorwo gitire na uhoti muiganu. Oho amemba aya nimaugite ati mendekithia maya matikuruhanitie anyiti itemi othe na mangihituka ni kuona amwe ao no kuhinga micii ino undu uria ugutiga ciana ici thina-ini munene.
The enormity of the bill is that if passed, it will result to the repression of children institutions and consequently endanger the lives of thousands of destitute children. There are thousands of children institutions in Kenya, and any other action direct or otherwise done to suppress them is a violation of the rights of these vulnerable children.
Hauwezi ukachukua watoto wote wa street, watoto wote abandoned, watoto wote hao waweke katika program moja ya adoption ama foster care, kwa sababu wote wana mahitaji tofauti.
Miali yake ni inyititwo mbaru ni mutabania wa mibango ngwataniro-ini ino niwe Moses Kobo uria umenereire ikinya ria thirikari kwa kweruhia marua mao magukorwo na micii ya ciana cia ndigwa.
So when we find out that some part of the branches of the government are undermining the children's home, it becomes a saddening thing, because here we are supposed to partner together.
Imekuwa ni jambo la kutushangaza sana ya kwamba yasemekana nyumba za watoto zifungwe, na ilhali kwa kweli tumekuwa tukifanya kazi nyingi sana. Amemba aya ni maroria thirikari etekere kwaniria na anyiti itemi othe niguo gutigirira mabataro ma ciana ici ni marumbuiyio na njira iria yagireire. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ni Ngigi wa Kinyanjui.